Donald Trump, Nicolas Maduro, DRAM madness, and also how to make money. These are all topics that we're going to be talking about today, right? What's going on, guys? Hope you're having an absolutely fantastic. So we're going to start off with the big news over the weekend. So obviously Trump bombed Venezuela and also imprisoned Maduro, right? So why did Trump do this? According to Gemini, these are the reasons, right? So you can read through these reasons because I'm not going to go over them one by one. But the real reason is probably this, right? Venezuela has the most oil reserves in the world, right? At 303 billion barrels, right? And this is not even accounting for the parts that they find not profitable to extract, right? So yeah, quite insane that Trump can just pick up the phone and 2 hours later, Maduro is on the way to New York courthouse for his slumber party, right? So next, obviously, we have to take a look at Russia versus US for their special military operation, right? When you take a look at this, this is obviously US very happy and Russian army after 1,400 days of special military operations, right? And this is also another picture that illustrates it perfectly, right? So obviously, we don't only want to read the news, right? We might want to also profit from the news, right? So one way is off this blue website, which I'm not sure I can mention here on YouTube. You can see some of these marks are what I would predict. And I think these are like quite solid. So I just think these are some ways to profit from the situation. I'm not necessarily going to predict or do anything with this information, right? This is just something you can explore further and use your own analysis and think for yourself, right? Because when we take a look at the 2 pages here, you can see Trump says the opposition leader is actually unfit, right? And then the current VP is actually fit to run, and you see she's really walked back her statements, right? She's willing to cooperate with United States after saying US action is atrocity. It's an atrocity, right? One day later, when she's in the power seat, you know what? I'm willing to cooperate. I don't want to get the Maduro treatment. Don't want to go to the New York slumber party, right? Because when we take a look at this big blue website, you can see that there's been insane money made, right? Some people might say it's insider trading, whatever it is, but there were some signs, right? Such as the pizza parlor going nuts. There's a pizza indicator that I might share in a future stream, but I don't have it open now. So actually, I'm going to quickly segue and talk about what I'm doing with this channel. Actually, I plan to live stream on this channel almost every day. In fact, I plan to do it today as well, right? That's why I have this whole docket prepared. And then I come to my YouTube channel and it says, you need 24 hours before you can stream. And I didn't know that before, right? Because this is a new YouTube channel. But I still thought it would be a good idea since I already prepared all this information to get a quick video out there, right? This will be a bit faster than the normal live streams will be. So when we take a look at some of the oil stocks, it's up 4-5% after this first day of the Venezuelan thing, right? And I find this a bit surprising because I think oil should be down on the day, right? Judging by how much supply is going to come online if the Trump administration does what they say they're going to do, right? So for the next topic, we have DRAM prices, right? And for those people who don't know what DRAM prices are, just search it up. There's a shortage going on and the prices are going absolutely nuts, right? Because when you take a look at this picture on the left-hand side, you can see DDR5 and all this, right? You can see the weekly high was 175, 475, 98, and you can see here it's 500, 195, right? This is up like 10%. And you know when this picture was taken? It was taken on the 2nd of January. Today is the 5th of January. Means one weekend the prices have gone up about 10%, right? And when we take a look at the chip prices, clearly it's been reflected, right? We can see MU over here, Micron, they are one of the big 3 producers of these memory chips, and their stock is up 410%, right? Nvidia, AMD all having a field day. Oracle, you can see SK Hynix is another producer. You can see the stock up 300% from the lows. So Samsung is another producer, but they are not a pure play, right? They are more of they have everything integrated, right? But you can see the stock is still up 155% from the local low here, and it's up 7% today, right? So yeah, that's about all I wanted to share today. If you think you enjoy videos regarding finance, crypto, stock market, and also general news, right, do consider dropping a like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel, right? So you can see this, and tomorrow onwards, I'm probably going to start live streaming every day to cover stuff like this and to cover stuff that we possibly can make money together doing. So yeah, with that being said, have a fantastic day ahead and peace out.